When the rains come, Suchitra keeps an extra watch over her family. She knows that they need special care and protection during the monsoons. That's why she gives them Horlicks every day. Horlicks, the doctor said, provides vital nourishment to build resistance against monsoon illnesses like coughs, colds, fevers, and stomach disorders. Because Horlicks is packed with proteins, carbohydrates, and vitamins that safeguard health. And it's easy to digest. Suchitra relies on Horlicks to keep her family fit and healthy right through the rains. So that even though she can't keep them out of mischief, she can keep them out of trouble. Thanks to Horlicks. Horlicks, the great nourisher.